I will sign an executive order that will mandate that Hoosiers wear face coverings during specific times and in specific places.
Good evening, I'm Hunter Petroviak. If you don't have a mask, you'll need one now. Both Indiana and Ohio governors announcing mask mandates will soon begin in each state. It's been a topic of debate for months whether they should be enforced, with everyone all the way up to President Trump having an opinion. Fox 55's Chris Malili joins us live in Fort Wayne. So, Chris, when will we need to wear masks in public?
Yeah, Hunter, it's giving us a little bit of time here in Indiana. The mask mandate won't be until Monday. Ohio will be a little bit sooner, though. It's 6 p.m. tomorrow. So if you haven't gotten one of these, you might want to get one now, especially as some people will be rushing to get theirs. Indiana and Ohio joining almost 30 states that are all putting in this mask mandate as cases continue to surge in some states, but see increases in most.
I don't want to be in a situation where I say, boy, I wish we would have put a statewide mask mandate in place. I've heard from enough community leaders. I've heard from enough businesses.
Governor Holcomb explaining the decision for a mask mandate Wednesday afternoon. Indiana and Ohio joining the growing list of states across the country. Holcomb says the reason, the number of cases in the state.
There have been a rise in COVID-19 positivity across the state from a low of 3.6% just a month ago to where we find ourselves today with a 7-day average rate of just about 7%.
Many are seeing more of in their everyday lives.
We really thought about this, this virus really shaping a new world, you know what I'm saying? Because essentially that's what it's done. It's created a whole new world.
This couple themselves without masks say they don't see many wearing one, but they think it's a good idea to mandate it now.
We're really paying for it at this point, you know what I'm saying? So I think government should be a little more strict, probably.
They say a recent trip to California shows the mask could slow the spread with having fewer people outside.
It's just like this. Usually when you go to California, it's super busy, but it kind of brought it to like a small town vibe.
The mandate, Holcomb says, starts Monday, will be for everyone over 8 using indoor public spaces, commercial properties, public transport, or while outdoors.
We're looking at the best strategies to get more people wearing masks.
Sutter saying there are few, if any, negatives about mask wearing.
There's a lot of misinformation out there about masks, about potentially negative things about wearing masks, and most of them just aren't true. Masks are just a simple, effective way to reduce the risk of spreading the coronavirus.
Now, there are exceptions to that mask rule, including if you have a medical or pre-existing condition. And we were talking about if you're outside, you don't have to wear a mask if you're exercising. So that's running, walking, jogging outside. You don't have to wear a mask. So we asked Fort Wayne Police what they're going to do to mandate this mask mandate, basically. They said they haven't talked about it because it's pretty new, but they think that they're not going to really be out there patrolling the streets looking for anyone without a mask. And Governor Holcomb kind of said that himself, but he did say that not having a mask would technically be a Class B misdemeanor, which would be 180 days in jail and up to a $1,000 fine. Reporting in Fort Wayne, Chris Malili, Fox 55 News.